Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get QOLMod for Geometry Dash. So first of all, you just need to write GOD Geometry Dash and click the first link here. Then press on download and download for Windows or other platforms. In my case it will be Windows. I need to wait until download process is done. After it's done, press on the setup, press OK, press next, press agree, and then next and install. And wait until installation process is done. After it's done, press next, finish, open up Steam, go to Geometry Dash, and wait for a couple of seconds until game load up. After game load up, I will show you what you need to next. What you need to do next is to press on this icon here, then go to a download, and then you just need to write QOLMod. Press get, press install, and wait until install process is done, and restart the game. Wait for a couple of seconds. Here, and then if we press tab, should see a mod. It would look like this, and you can do a bunch of different things. So let's say I will go to the game here, and let's press tab here, go speed hack, and make it slower, right? And now, as you can see here, if we go again, I need to press tab here, enable. And as you can see here, now it's super slow. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.